In front of me is Realme 13 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting one of your apps you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select Floating Window. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. To minimalize it, click on Home button. Then hold this little window and slide it to the side. To access your window again, tap on the bubble and click on Tiny Window. To use more options of pop-up view, tap on those three dots and operate all of those. And to close it completely, you can always swipe it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!